Hi, today I'm with me ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to mute notifications on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here we can see notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications we should hold and swipe to the left side this dot, and that's it. Also we can make it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button. Click here to just open the full volume buttons here and just that's notifications, and just to mute notifications we should hold and swipe to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.